Hello everyone, this is the October box, so let's get started. The theme is Spellbound, and here's the discounts if you guys are interested. And this is the items that I got. So let's get started. The first one I got is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Used as a highlighting serum before moisturizing or as the last step of your routine, and this product retails $34. Wow. Oh, it smells like watermelon. The next product is Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer Hydrate. Farewell dry, flaking skin. Quench your skin thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer and save time on your beauty regimen, featuring a blend of hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and antioxidant botanical ingredients. This nourishing formula brightens and replenishes skin for a healthier complexion. Create a smooth canvas for improved foundation wear and keep your face feeling fresh all day. And this product retails to $32. Hanalei Beauty Company Matte Bronzer. Glow like a Hawaiian goddess with a cruelty-free natural matte bronzer. This long-wearing powder gives you the sun-kissed look fresh from a day at the beach. The unique formula applies smoothly applied with a brush to define cheekbones and enhance your natural beauty. And this product retails to $25. It looks cute. Cute bronzer. Looks nice. A good bronzer. I like it. The next product is House Laboratories Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. Wow, pretty packaging. House the power of your own creativity with this versatile, multifaceted shimmer liquid eyeshadow. This weightless, smudge-proof liquid to powder formula is easily layered and blended so your eyes always have the spotlight. Building up creaseless pigment intensity is simple, so you can dial it up or dial it down. So this product retails to $20. Oh, it looks pretty. The next product that I got is Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes. Simplify your routine with this 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Swipe cloth across skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara. Without tugging or pulling, no need to rinse, suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. 100% biodegradable, and this product retails to $20. And this is the new launch. So let's open. So this is the size. It's a good size. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like this video, and see you soon. Bye everyone.